Hello, my dear friends. Let's start a new story. Life is like a cafeteria. A friend's grandfather came to America from Eastern Europe. After being processed at Ellis Island, he went into a cafeteria in Lower Manhattan to get something to eat. He sat down at an empty table and waited for someone to take his order. Of course, nobody did. Finally, a woman with a tray full of food sat down opposite him and informed him how a cafeteria worked. "Start out at that end," she said. "Just go along the line and pick out what you want. At the other end, they will tell you how much you have to pay." "I soon learned that how everything works in America," the grandfather told a friend. "Life's a cafeteria here. You can get anything you want as long as you are willing to pay the price. You can even get success, but you will never get it if you wait for someone to bring it to you. You have to get up and get it yourself."